Woo. Oh man, these things sound great.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
First things first, let's take a look around the box. It just says NuraTrue, that's the name of these buds. Here, Nura, new Nura. Kind of weird what they're saying here, Nura. I guess saying here, Nura, how their sound is. And they have a pretty good sound because, like I said before, I do have the Nura phones, and those do sound good, though they don't feel too good. I'm hoping these have corrected that issue. On the side, Nura, it just continues from the front. They have their logo on the back. It tells you about the buds themselves. Personalized sound, that's Nura's claim to fame. 6 hours of battery life per bud, plus an additional 18 via the case. So I guess the case can charge your buds 3 times after it dies. Fast charging is available. Voice calls, hybrid ANC, social mode, sweat resistant, and customizable controls. So far, they seem to do what all the other high-end buds are doing. They seem to hit all of the right marks. They do have ANC. They do have what appears to be a pass-through mode. So I'm kind of excited to see how exactly this device goes about handling all of that. Well, let's take a quick look in the box itself. Nice foam padding at the top. I like the way that looks. And here we have the buds themselves. But before I even take out that, it says download the app, which I have. Put on your NuraTrue, create your hearing profile. Well, we'll do that once we get a look at the buds. The buds are in this nice little case. It is wrapped in a paper. Again, you have the white and black. That really nice contrast there. Let's get rid of that piece of paper. Take a quick look at the case. The case is not too heavy at all. It's actually really light. I wish I had another pair of my buds to compare it to, but being that I knew I would be trying to do this video so that I could relax during my break and really test out these buds, I didn't take any other pair of buds. Let's take a look around the case. There's nothing really there except for a USB-C port at the back. So again, that's great. One cord to rule them all. You have all of your model numbers and such at the back, and that's it. And the brand Nura right up top. Now let's open the case. The case is a type of plastic. It's really light to open. It does have a little spring mechanism there, so it does slam shut and pop open nice and easy. Now the buds have a little white tag at the back here, and there you have it, the Nura buds. I do like the way they have the logo in this type of chrome reflective material. It looks really high-end. The back of the buds has a nice little odd shape to it. A lot of these earbuds have these little pieces that you can put on so it can fit in your ear better. These have it kind of built right in. Unless this can come off itself, I'm not actually sure. I wouldn't be surprised, but it looks so well placed there. You know, as I look at it, I think this actually does come off, and you can change the size to better fit your ear. Now, as for the little ear plugs, these do come off. You know, that's par for the course with earbuds, because you know you want that good seal, so you do need to change these actual little buds here to better fit your ear. Aside from that, it's a nice little disc. Reminds me of my Surface buds. You know, they have the nice little disc up top. According to the box, these are touch panels, so you should be able to swipe and tap to control your audio. Overall, I really do like the look of these. Very well designed, Nura. You know, you got my attention now with more so than just your sound. I mean, the Nura phones were also extremely well designed. I love the look of them. Real high-end stuff, real unique quality design there. And they seem to have carried that same design language to an extent over to the NuraTrues. All right, let's see if there's anything else inside the box. We have a little box here. I do like this little foam they have in here. And it's just a really well done. Everything has its own shape. The box, the buds, it just looks real nice. Let's see what is in here aside from the directions on how to use the device. We have additional earbuds in here. Like I said, you can change the shape, and I was correct. If you look inside the bag here, they do have other, I guess you call them ear cups. The little piece that allows the earbuds to better fit in your ear. The little wings, I think that's what they call them. These little wings here that allow the earbud to fit better in your ear. It does come off, and you can change it to larger sizes or smaller sizes depending on the fit of your ear. And also in the pack we have the little tips here, large, medium, and small. I would assume. No, you know what? We have definitely different types of tips. Because here we have a little foam tip, as opposed to the. If I look at it closely, a plastic tip. Huh? That's odd. I have some phone tips on my Galaxy Buds Pro, and those are extremely comfortable. But we'll see how these large ones fare. You know, we'll do a quick comparison to see which one is better. So that's cool. We have foam tips and rubber tips, or yeah. Also in the bag is the Usbc cable. So like I said, one cord to rule them all. So I'll probably never have a reason to use this Usbc cable because I have so many USB-Cs. This will just stay probably in the bag, in the box, but up on the shelf until at some point in its life, maybe it will need to be used. All right, for the purpose of this connection, I'm going to use my Surface Duo, simply because it's the phone that I like to put everything on. It has all of the Bluetooth codecs that I like, and being that it's my everyday device, I just hook up all of my earbuds and headphones to it. So no matter what I have, the phone is ready to go. Now, I know I have the Nura app in here. As you can see, there it is. Let's go to the app, and it says right there, connect a new Nura device. Well, this is exactly what this is. So let's see how this works out. Let me take out the buds. Am I even supposed to? I don't know. Let's have one in the hand. Let's connect a new device. Okay. Nura Loop, nope. NuraTrue. All right. Oh, there are Nura buds. Go figure. All right. So connect via Bluetooth. Okay, let's pair a new device. Oh, and they're there. All right. It found the NuraTrue. So the blessing and the curse of the Duo has reared its ugly head. With the app on the singular screen, I couldn't see the entire image of what the app was trying to show me. I only saw the video of how to change the tips and the wings, but I didn't see the run the fit test. But again, the Duo with its amazing versatility, I simply had to stretch the app to both screens, and everything is as it should be. So let's run this fit test. So the app is telling me to play this song in neutral and to adjust the volume to what's good for me. Okay, so that's fine for me. Now let's try in personalized mode. And just like that, it sounds so much better. Just like the newer phones, their personalized sound really cleans up what you are playing. The neutral mode is kind of flat. The bass is a bit too heavy. It's a little muddy. I think that's the best way to put it. The different instruments, though you can hear them if you really try, aren't as clear. But once you switch to personalized mode, things are just more vibrant. I guess that's why they show you the colors. Things just seem more alive. You can actually hear the different instruments, each little section, really crisp. And they're a lot more comfortable than the newer phones. So these are a definite win, at least in the comfort department. Now here you have the immersion mode. What this does really is, it's like the newer phone, it's like a really big bass booster. But this bass isn't as heavy as the newer phones, because the newer phones cup your whole ear and it's pumped in a bass like you're in a club. This is a lot more tolerable, and they have balanced out the sound from the buds, so it's clean. Even though they increased the bass, it doesn't muddy up the rest of what you're trying to hear. It's not too overpowering, so that's real good. Yeah, so the social mode is their version of pass-through. And now I can hear the wind, I can hear the cars going by, even some people talking behind me. So yeah, you know what? It does work. No argument here. Yeah. And that's my audio profile for the NuraTrue. You've listened to music, now it's time to hear it. Now let's give these things a quick test. Let's play some Teen Spirit. I don't know if you guys have seen the Black Widow movie, but this song was pretty much the best part of it. There it is. This song is real, man. This is a great cover. Smells Like Teen Spirit by Amelia J. Man, she did a good job of this. So there you see the NuraTrue in my ears. They look good. They sound good. I would say they're a mix of the Surface Buds and probably my Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. That's the look and the feel, and also the audio signature, because that personalized sound really has these things sounding amazing. Well, this is NG, the Neon X, and the NuraTrue wireless earbuds. This is what I'm into. Wow. It's just a clean, pronounced sound.